Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your boy George, and today I'm taking you on a ride. Literally, I'm about to bike all the way to Shokon, and I'm bringing you all with me. Before we started our journey, let's get our water bottle and fill it with water. After we fill our water bottle, let's put it in our bike. Before we go, let's do some stretching. We're ready, let's start our journey. In this scene, I have arrived at Barangay Nailon. As you can see, let's continue. Napatay ito ni. Ambak na. Lala. So in this area here, it indicates that I am almost arriving at Shokon. Here it is. I have arrived at Shokon. Welcome to Barangay Shokon. After I arrive at Shokon, I rest and drink some water. Now we have drink some water. Let's go back to our journey. In this area, there is a steep hill, and we won't ride it. Go down. It's very steep. So let's just walk. Boss! Shokon is a wonderful place. It has many wonderful things to see, like this. In here, I'm finding a good area to rest. Here, good area. After done relaxing, I'm going to head back. I'm going back. As you can see, I am catching my breath because my legs were tired. So let's continue more, like it's going to rain. So I have arrived at my home, and thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, share, and like.